One house and some dinner place them for inside market for Misoke, Ibonbon, as we tori enter for we EM. Waiting be really pass, we fire SSP cash for that side. We go talk for now for this afternoon with image we'll get them for that side. So for market per Misoke on a Misoke market, we Ibon this afternoon. So for inside tori for this afternoon, we go take una, we go for that side. So for Bamenda, for talk this palava picking them, we ide so they tip the way they left. Day for night. Sabi say governor says for that side, so for inside Norway's, where they call him say Oga Adolphe Lele L'Afrique. Where Oga Adolphe Lele L'Afrique, country people them, Oga Adolphe Lele L'Afrique. Oga Adolphe Lele L'Afrique, he get for happen some dongamen for that side, so as so the year for this side since 10 o'clock, he get for talk. On top this palaver for picking them, but sorting now, we never feel for here. We go enter for governor office, we tell on as we Tory people themselves, they wait for see wait it happen for that side. Inside palaver for new president, on a Sabise we go talk after when Kukuma says he put his hand for talk say I do so swear, say he go look out people there for Cameroon. Sabise Maurice come to say he be work for his own side. As we police people them, they become cashy, take and go for house. But Sabi say plenty of the people there, they be cashy yesterday for that side, so for Longkak, they don't leave them. All that to read and so, plus newspaper then says, we go talk this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say, Percy way, he know the scene, he no need looking glass for Sabi whether he get wound for his face. Say person way, he know the scene, he no need looking glass for check whether he gets wound for his face. And big part of a commander for that side for Limbem, Reverend B. Christian, nice and with big part talk. At the turn back, small time. Good afternoon again, country people. Then we go start now with the story for Palava Fire, where it don't enter for inside Douala here for side for Misoke market. That fire, it happen way never overtame. Make you no ask, Ambassador how it take enter for inside that Palava, where they throw BB Salu for people that necessarily they be shit down for that side, for send image as all the talk, make we enter for inside this market for Misoke way cash fire today. Sabi say the market says no person and never sabi wait till be really happen before fire it start for cash for that side. So for Misoke market, this fire so it already happen as all the talk for this side, and the talk say for corner the market says una fi for siam house where it be them now so to the house it burn too plus some store them. Army rescue people then too, as well they call them one time, them too they be wrong come for come see wait where they feel for do, for see as well they go lost fire where it cash for inside place where they call them say Makepe Misoke market side there. Sabi say people themselves they dish done for inside the market side, and now so to the fire too don't cash it enter it burn some one man own private house. But Sabi say na army rescue people themselves as well they call a Colonel Michaela line one time too he called Captain Afu Hansen. Now so to Afu Hansen too he gather a lamboy them one time all them they did for Misoke side where they did turn for see as well they feel lost that fire. Sabi say before the one land population says if you don't carry own sansan a carry water for see as well they feel lost fire before anything if it for happen. Plenty of the market people them they be there for day for see as well this fire a cash for inside Makepe Misoke big markets where a cash. As well I talk for them, be a place in the bond plus even one person in the house where it is done for inside the market. We go turn back for day with plenty story when we go come back for some time for tell nothing way it pass for day. So for inside story now, so we take una go for Bamenda. Nothing this way they happen for governor office. Normal country people them. Oga Adolphe Lele L'Afrique when a governor for inside Norway's. He began for meeting with the Tory people them since for 10 o'clock for talk palava this speaking the way they left them yesterday for night. Waiting they really happen, make we enter for inside governor office just now for tell on us say Tory people them they also wait for here wait governor if he for talk we fit enter for inside that image for Bamenda wey just two-way the pass for Bamenda side. Sabi say that 70 or 82 picking them where they be cash them, they be last left them na yesterday. Inside governor office, na tinda we say na governor office said that so do enter for inside just now for tell una say governor for Norway's Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique, normal, as so the talk now. If you don't get for finish talk with the Tory people them for that side, so for inside Bamenda, now for Sika waiting, picking the way they be thief them, they be don't left them yesterday for overnight. So governor says, if you don't talk, say he go meet up with the Tory people them for 10 o'clock. But so now, no nothing, it never so happen for that side, so for inside governor office, as well with the see. Tory people then said they is also turn for inside the office, inside the compound for governor office, for Sabi wait way it go pass. But Sabi said this picking them true, they don't left them, and governor says after I go meet up with Tory people them, he go get for go meet up with it that picking them for side way they don't keep them after way they left them yesterday. So we are here, it there for ground. Sabi said Tory people then says for that side, so for Bamenda. Wait for here wait where governor says he go talk up. So now image that where they come up for Bamenda just now. We go left that palaver for Bamenda, so we go remain for Bamenda. I be talk for now for some time. Say yesterday, Pani John he be there too for PSS Nkwen for Bamenda. Now for check wait where it be really happen. Now so to plenty of them are them for picking them where they be cash them, all them say they be dead them. The one now before they be one left that picking them for night. Pani John says he be there for Bamenda for ask question on top who really thief that picking them. Sabi say they take that picking them for inside school. Plenty of them mommy they be dead them. Plenty papa them say they be dead. Pani John says he be dead for talk with this papa them, talk with the mommy them where they be get picking them for inside PSS Nkwen. Sabi say before Pani John be one come up for PSS Nkwen yesterday. If we don't talk say if the people that way they know, if the people that way they catch that picking, they no left them. Sabi say go call the real people them for inside the confusion, inside this problem for Norwest Southwest. Them say they go enter for bush for find that picking them. But Sabi say before Pani John won't even finish sleep, a tingly ring say it is so they don't left that picking them and they left them now for midnight for that side, so for barefoot. Our ear there for ground as well the Tory they continue for Wakam. Now so 2 weeks too we go talk for now. But Sabi say Pani John he be enjoy his own big day where they put new kunkuma for top chair. Now for PSS Mancon or Nkwen for sideway this palaver it happen. So Pani John he begin warning and only for night that picking them they free. We go left palaver for picking the way they catch them. We enter from Dog Passive 3 market. Sabi say inside this market, country people, being a place they don't already finish fixer. But market people they like now so for Shidon for road for sale. Now inside the market is place for peace, place for shit, can't pay it they fine. Other small business place them, they don't already fix the business place them. But people that is also ask question. Now for Sika way business people then from the party side, there is also life for Shidon for outside for make business. Now although than this, where it is show say they fit enter for inside for start rent business place. But see side where they Shidon for sale market. Now for on top quota, corner road where anything will fit happen, it go disturb them. According to where Job Sophie Kwana said he talk say they don't make price where it go look out so that all people them where they make business from Dog Passy side, them say they fit enter for buy their own place where they go sell for inside. But so now some people that is also cry say one of the store over there they no fit for do anything for get that plenty money for enter for inside the store. So the condition it don't make enough people they ask question whether they be the peoples they only like na say make the die or na how. Market it don't already they prepare small but them they also like for Shidon now for on top quota for make the business for that side. Sabi say fire assessor will be cash for side for Biopharma. Oga Governor Samuel Dodeneva Dibois for inside Douala here. Ebiwaka for go talk Asia for people them for that side so for Biopharma. Sabi say the one now after we fire it be cash for that side. And Sabi say Governor says it be take his own time. a waka for see which way be really pass. Now big people then say for inside Biofama and Oga D.O. Nuhu Bello, they talk am good for Oga Governor and so it be Tonton for meet up people then for inside Biofama way fire. It be meet up them for Friday night, breaking Saturday for some time, and Sabi self say inside the fire. So now no person, it never Sabi which way happen, but Sabi say Oga Samuel do the neva Dibois, he go talk Asia. For Sika say the Sabi say Biofama, now one of the people that necessary they give plenty work for young people them. So now for Sika right away Biofama or governor, he go talk Asia. And people then for Biofama say they don't talk say that place where he born, he no go make am way, they no go so continue for work. Say work, he go so be, and also too they go need more work people them after we this fire he burn for that side. So governor, he go talk for that people then too, he own Asia. After we hears a fire, it be born for their business place. We go left Palava for that Biofama side. We enter now so for inside chapter for I do so swim. Sabi Seb say Nkunkumam, he don't talk yesterday. Say he go look at Cameroon fine for another 7 years. But waiting be the Trump thing the way Nkunkuma talk yesterday. Number one, he talk this Palava for Norwest Southwest. He talk say all that people them. As well they put the answer for talk say go look at country. People the way they hold you shake a shoot. Make all man he put am for ground. He take the better road we get for Sabi. And Sabi say Nkunkuma talk say one the way they so hold their shake a shoot. Where they no one put am for ground. He say if law he no go fit for fight with them. Sabi say other people them near them, K2 them, plus all the other one the way join hand for fight. They go fight them so they stop that confusion inside Norway and Southwest. Sabi say this Palava for decentralization. Oga Nkunkuma talk say he Sabi say when decentralization it go finish complete. Now that time say where people there for Norway Southwest they no go cry again. Chapter for electricity, Cameroon, it will be one of the strong country for electricity, according to Nkunkuma. Waterway plenty people they know the gate, roadway in no day, was speak to the way they get war bed. Nkunkuma talk say for these other 7 years, plenty people there they no get roads, even one day they no get hospital, one day they no get water, all that one it go reach for them, according to talk where he talk. But Sabi say on top all the one them, Nkunkuma talk say Cameroon for business side. E go see say all thing e go remain for inside Cameroon where e no go come out for outside. And he talk say all man he must to join hand for see say Cameroon e be the way all man he want am. So as we put your answer for up, he talk say no na he want he go do all the work. All people there they clap for with he and one the way they look he, all man he must to join for see as we peace and Cameroon he go na only for before. But inside the Ngando place where we get for be quiet. Some kind of thing it be happen with plenty people them they ask question. Make we see them again. Yes, now the only thing that will make people that be surprised plenty say big Senator Seseb is stand up for Sing Mutumbu plenty. They don't talk in better Mutumbu way go take place for Mashanta for me we Seseb if don't go 6 feet. We go left that Palava small but Sabi say Aswen Kunkumam if be there for inside National Assembly. Pa Maurice come to Seseb for the first time since we be call people then say me they make mash for Sika Pasha and we one person is also Tonton. Sabi say Pa Maurice come to be come up for outside and now for that side so for Run Point for Longkak. Now for the way Pa Maurice come to be meet up with the own people them for talk for them say they so as he don't join hand with other party them they go so them for look out all the thing them one people there they dey for bush Pa Maurice come to talk say they go see as we all down they go do am. Sabi say if Nkunkuma be finish make all talk for inside National Assembly, Pa Maurice come to no be fit for finish talk his own talk as so they come pick all them the big people them like Alain Fogame, Okala Bode and even Barrister Sim. Now so they pick them up, carry and go for police. Then Pa Maurice come to Seseb, he be enter for inside police Yamoto, they go levy for house. A tenant for door house, he say I no go enter me. Say na caterpillar go take me enter for that house. A tenant for day. Man adimo kukamba sumo for that photo for Palm-Maurice Canton. A tenant, na so police then to the tenant for a back like some correct Palm-Maurice Canton. It will be been a big man yesterday. At least if we get police there for a corner where they look at it, they reach for a front door house. They say they pay enter no, they pay shing. It was say no, I no go enter for my house. You understand? They pay deny. Say I no go enter for my house. So now go force me to enter. Me will stop for yes more. Yes, now in this. See how they pay stand up, put your hand for inside pocket. See police there for corner. Don't let any kind man they get the kind of opportunity. When police they go turn up for your corner, so then you put your hand for inside pocket. Not be any kind of man. Not be any kind of man. Palm-Maurice turn up, put a hand for inside pocket. Police they turn up to for back. He dey like a big man too, no? He dey too na small big man. So he thought say no go enter for house. Say they no go force it for enter house. But Sabi say they put it for under arrest. And the story for them na say all the people there they be catch them yesterday for seeker this palaver for Palm-Maurice Canton. They don't left all them. So yes, all them they don't left them. The Palm-Maurice Canton they talk say he go shit down for inside house. He no get for comot for outside. Sabi say that big day for inside Yawende yesterday. One day they no be fit for go for Yawende. They be shidon now for inside their own place for Lukam. For Douala here, Oga Samuel Jodone Vadiboam, he no be fit for enter aeroplane for reach for Yawende. So he call all he come be them, work people them. Now for inside place where the whole Dongamen, where Oga Samuel Jodone Vadiboam, governor for inside littoral, he shidon for there with the DO them, SDO them, for see which way it be the pass for inside National Assembly. And Sabi say all they be the look the palaver. Now for some big tele, yes, they be put big tele inside place where Dongamen they ever happen. You get come be them where they become for calcium and they see as when Kunkumam a whole book for talk say he go look at Cameroon better. Even near themselves they be there for look as so the thing happen. After when Kunkuma talk I do so swim. Now clapping this all people they say they glad. So now so the thing be passed. Inside the Douala here, Governor Samuel Jodone Vadiboam, he be shidon for inside office for Dongamen Place for sitting where he be the past day. For that side for Yawende, we will go just enter for day just now. Sabi say even as when Naseri Paul Beya, he be there for Yawende, I see all the two happen. He be turned back for a house, he talk say better make his shemimbo. He put a small one for ancestor them, for talk for them, say make ancestor, they give power from Kunkuma. As we don't turn up again for look out Cameroon for another 7 years. So he give invite for all he come be them, make they can take small thing, small mimbo, and only small thing where he be level for them. So all the one na part for the glads as when Kunkumam he take power. So that's a report by SSF, he be talk congratulate and he be get own small thing for give for he come be them for inside Yawende after the Ngandowe finish for that side so for National Assembly. Social media, you know, be left for back. Social media, two people then two they be the talk. I do so swim. Now one of the things then that way one of the social media person a talk So for inside the man I do work as small, put and small for you. Voila. The one he the talk say so true. Repe he don't so turn up again for another 7 years. Now question. The other one he talk say waiting. Nkunkuma. We go so continue for remain for inside the two way the talk. But Sabi say climate weather na climatic effect change for climate so then I think that way they talk for Pobia say climate use or change one more time. So for inside the Palaba they say 36 years. Number 6 day for November 1982. Cameroon they Sabi like people then say way Binet it go right for back. Social side a day for back. Cultural side a day for back. And so today another one again don't enter. Now some people they will talk for social media. Sabi say social media they ever talk your own thing. So as well this also continue for worker for talk waiting where people then too they talk for social media. You get other one they talk say child. Now big disgrace. Say all thing where they talk. You understand? Big disgrace. Say all thing where they talk, all thing happen when you just enter so he pass for this side. Say now big disgrace for some them. Say now different planet way they see the kind of way it pass for inside the country. They want they talk say that talk when Kunkuma talk it no be even then one way they fix and at the same day. It means say they begin for check the thing fine according to way this other social media it talk The other one it talks say now another 7 years again where it don't finish. Now another one it come say now palava for water for go small Kunkuma Nkunkuma waiting. Now so he dey for on top chair. So for inside the social media as Obi Waka. They say Cameroon. It go be a strong country for palava electricity. Huh? Now so repe. Now so. Now the thing that the other one talk say so Cameroon is going to produce electricity. Repe. Now so that one a better talk. This other one he get his own for talk. Say Nkunkuma. You talk say decentralization. You promise again decentralization. The one way we don't fair be since that one different one. Then they ask na different thing. Now which kind of thing we go to talk? Which kind of Cameroon way they talk? All that put they talk say they thief 80 picking them. You no talk no nothing on top that palava. You talk na different thing them only for talk say you sorry this and that. So all man if he get your own talk. They say Cameroon oboso. You understand? Cameroon oboso. They thief 80 picking. You no talk that one. You talk na say the sabi say put them for no west they suffer. Cameroon go for before oboso. Cameroon oboso. Then sabi say no na all man go cost. Other one they talk say hey Nkunkuma be talk better talk. Say Cameroon na for before. You understand? Say talk when Nkunkuma talk na better thing. Cameroon for before. Other one they show photo talk that small thing there. So sabi say social media say it no be they idle social media too if they look the story then even take photo for some of the people that they be turn up for the Nkunkuma like OC Joshua where it to become for can see what will happen. Then you get other people then too like the one they talk say na go replace Mafoni where he don't go 6 feet. Say now so na be the new Mutumbu man for inside CPDM. After the thing we do and for that side. So social media be get it in there. Plenty talk there. Then the other people there, why they put their head for down? Why they put their head for down? When one man did the sing, why the other one they put their head for down? Question. Don't ask ambassador. Now the thing that will see how they talker. You understand? So, man, I think more level so. Plenty thing be passed on social media as we Gandu Sesep, it be the happen for Yawende. We go finish story with these people then for custom for East region where they say they don't put their hand for up inside court. They say they no go take choco. Yes. Now for court for that side for East. Custom people they don't put their hand for up. Talk say they no go take choco as well they come up for outside. Sabi say any man they talk say custom. Now the better place that way chop in the come out. Now you the see cargo the way they come out for sheep. Now you the see cargo the way they come out for bush. Stick them and even one the way people they want thief. So the new custom picking the way they don't just finish school. They don't take oath. They don't talk say waiting. I swear I no go chop choco for day. If I chop choco make it tight for my neck. But all that one they so we sabi say na joke game. When they finish put their answer for up, see them for road tomorrow. Carry your plan them. You want pass so that before we no give them choco. You understand that I say all the way they be doing so na just still way book it don't talk say they must to do it. So they don't take oath for talk say they no go take choco for road. Say they go do their work normal. Now only for outside way we go feel for talk whether true. Till where they talk for inside courts, then they put them for on top fee. Now in that for East region, now for the way they take oath say work it go now only for before for them. Newspaper then get their own thing where they tell we today, make we enter for the guidance post where they for outside. Inside the guidance post, they tell we say after we talk say I do so swim. Nkunkuma, it don't talk say peace, it go turn back for nowhere and southwest. Now so today they tell we as when Nkunkuma be the talk say peace, it go turn back for nowhere southwest. Maurice Kamto and the other people the party, now so them too they don't get freedom again. After way it did so they be catch them yesterday for secret say they be one make their own small mash. Inside the same story, Amnesty International, it don't talk say waiting. UNICEF, Amnesty International and UNICEF, all them say them too they don't talk say picking the way they be thief them for northwest and west, make they left them. They tell you too for inside the guidance post, say Toriman. Nuke Brutus, itu a one turner for inside the chapter for B, head boy for Fekafoot for inside Southwest. St. Louis University says the guidance post, it talk for we. It then also for Douala, yes. We enter for other to read and say where they did for inside different newspaper them. We take una enter for the Advocate newspaper. And they talk for we say waiting. The cash come to let them as when Nkunkuma says a talk I do so swear. And Sabi say inside the Advocate they talk to way they do until we no go do for inside the new chair way he don't chop Now according to way Advocate talk Nkunkuma talk thing the way they no get for do and thing the way they get for do So for inside the Advocate. story where he talk palava Ekema Patrick for Boyaside where he give Governor help. Some of the people there they hear about for Sika this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Other to read the day for inside the Advocate newspaper where you fit enter for read them. Some newspapers say it there for outside today. Inside the Sun newspaper, it talk for we say waiting, say Nkunkuma, he say make all people them, they put their gun them, their shaker shoot for ground. So that peace, it go turn back for inside the country. Now one of the things that when Nkunkuma talk as we be the talk say I do so swear. So for inside the Sun newspaper, they talk for we as we waiting, Kava Yege Jibri, he congratulate for OC and Gagam and the other people that say they be there present for inside Nkunkuma in new chair where he be the talk say I do so swear. Sabi say the son he talk to on top this palava for cash where the cash come to then after the levy then they tell you to say 5 school picking the necessary way they don't thief them now for that side so for inside Kumba now so to SDF he don't talk say he go struggle for city where if you do as we vote for legislative and municipal he get for come inside next year after we they fail for vote for Genyu Nkunkuma. So for inside another Tori will enter for inside today. Now the Voice newspaper country people them inside the Voice newspaper we there for outside. They say Pobia another 7 new year again we don't take them. Waiting be the BB problem the way Pobia get for look for inside. Then they talk for we for Norwest and West. 1. Palava for Army Ipeng. 2. Palava for Choco. 3. Palava for walkway no day. 4. Another one, na palava for human rights where they do them anyhow. Now so to this Voice, it tell we say Presbyterian Church of Cameroon, it pays 2.5 million for say make the left 11 PSS man con picking them where they cash them. Other to read them, you feel for read them for the Voice newspaper. They ask na BB question whether Nkunkuma it go fit for stop all the suffer where people them they suffer. Now so too they talk palava mimi mefo we own Torin Gondere where for 2 o'clock again for Biba for Gendarme Place. They say make you no touch mimi mefo at all. Now they told you that where the Voice newspaper a carry on. Make we enter for the last one we did today. Eden newspaper we did for outside. Eden newspaper too, he get his own story for talk for we today, call the people them. Waiting there for inside the Eden newspaper, he talk say President says he don't talk say he don't sabi say people there for Norwest Airways, they suffer. Now after way he put your hand for talk say I do so swear. Professor Maurice come to say and people there for MRC party just now, they been a free people them after we they catch them yesterday. So for Eden, you feel read palava for Senator Fon Chafam, he own a palace for that side for Bangolan, where they born them. Then 2 big court people then 2 way they kill them for some kind of way for that side so for Guzan. Eden newspaper, it get order to read them where you fit for enter, you see where to way it happen for them. Now they told them that for this afternoon, country people them, tomorrow we go take una go for Limbem. We get palava for case for some power where they meet up and we die for a house. And some other case where they meet up die now for a roads where they don't cut with the cutlass. Tomorrow morning time we go bring una all that to read them. Country people, now so we see country for this afternoon. Thank you plenty, Malis. Thank you, Nadine Guafo. Thank you to Ledu Pone. So now so for some time, on our own tight.